This table shows the percentage of students in Year 9 in 2019 that were at or above the national minimum standard. So for Year 9, the band is Band 6, and the national minimum standard was 96% of students at Year 9 in schools across Australia in 2019 were at or above the national minimum standard. So that's something that we can celebrate with that data. We can also compare how we are tracking considering our own school context, and also ask some questions in terms of, well, are our students reaching the national minimum standard? Are there some students not reaching the national minimum standard? And if so, well, why? And that's the question that then allows us to delve deeper into the data in order to identify possible areas of improvement. This graphical representation is looking at Year 9 student achievement data according to the bands and the mean score. So the mean score was 592.1, and the band for Year 9 is Band 6. So just looking at that data, you can spend some time looking at it and identifying what you notice about that data. This graphical representation is looking at Year 9 achievement according to gender, so how males and females in Year 9 achieved. And what is this data telling us? And boys outperforming girls, that's what that data is telling us, and in all jurisdictions as well as nationally. So I think we have seen a bit of a pattern here in terms of gender across all the year levels and across all the states, in the fact that males have outperformed females. Is this happening in our own school context as well? This graphical representation is looking at Year 9 achievement according to Indigenous status. So if we look at the comparisons that are being made to the mean scale score for Indigenous students, and then there's the mean scale score for non-Indigenous students. So what do you notice about that data? In this graphical representation, we're looking at achievement of language backgrounds other than English students to non-language backgrounds other than English students. What do you notice about that data? Are there any patterns that you've noticed? This table is providing some comparative achievement data. So it provides the mean score for Year 9 students in 2019 across the country. The Australian mean score was 592.1. The table provides us with an opportunity for comparisons to be made between the states and the territory, and also to the national mean scores. That will allow us to identify if the data is significantly or statistically significant or not.